Hi everyone, it's Haley Malnicki, your school dietitian. I'm so excited to be back for another episode of Quarantine Cooking, where today we're going to be making pancake bites. So these are essentially just mini muffins made with pancake mix instead of your muffin mix. You could use a muffin mix if you don't have pancake mix. So I'm just using my favorite box pancake mix, calls for the mix and water, super simple. So in a bowl right here, I'm gonna start making my pancake mix according to the box instructions. And so I'm just gonna add water until I get the same consistency that you would make pancakes with. So these are, again, a super creative recipe that you can make with your kids, or this can be a kid-friendly recipe to make by themselves. It's super easy, and we just throw them in the oven and they take like 8 minutes. So this is also really versatile, and kids can get creative a little bit here. So I'm gonna thin mine out a little bit. You kind of want it in between a pancake consistency and a muffin consistency. So with my box pancake mix, I'm also gonna add a few extra little flavor components. So I'm gonna do a little sprinkle of cinnamon and a splash of vanilla extract just to give them some extra flavor. And then the best part about these is we're going to add those similar toppings that you would to pancakes, but we're gonna do it in muffin form. So for my toppings today, I have diced apples, a little bit of diced strawberries, some blueberries, and then some more unique toppings. I'm going to be adding a little bit of breakfast sausage. So that just kind of like amps up the breakfast. You have your carbs and your fat and your protein from a little bit of this breakfast sausage that I heated up in the microwave. So if you don't have any fresh produce, you could also use chocolate chips, granola, crushed graham crackers, or any type of jam or preserves. You can also do peanut butter, of course. I love peanut butter. Okay, so I have my mix here, just like the same consistency, maybe a little bit thicker than you would pancakes or waffles. And then I'm gonna spray my muffin tin that I have right here. So it's just a mini muffin tin. If you don't have a mini muffin tray, you could also use just a regular muffin tin. They just be a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna spray a few. And you really wanna spray it well, just so they don't stick. So then I'm going to take my little scooper. If you don't have one of these, you can just use a spoon. I think this is 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna place it into my little muffin tin, and you just wanna make sure you have an even amount in each. And I was thinking earlier that these are also great for when school does start back up again. You can make these over this quarantine break and then leave them in the freezer for when school starts back up. Pop them out 1, 2, or 3, or however many you want for breakfast, and put them in the microwave. And this is a great school morning breakfast for on the go. So you have pancakes, but no one has to stand at the stove flipping them for 25 minutes. So I'm just gonna scoop a few in here, and then I'll show you how I add in my toppings. So move these off to the side. So now I have some of these sausage bites. So I cut they were lengths, and I cut them into thirds. And so I'm just gonna press them gently into the pancake batter. So then I also have, like I said, blueberries. You could do strawberries, sliced banana. Again, this is just working with what you have on hand. If you don't have any of these, you could just bake them plain. So this is a great time for the kids to get creative. So let them kind of have free reign over what toppings they want to add to their pancakes. So I'm gonna do chocolate chips. I also have some diced apple. Basically any type of fruit you have on hand would be wonderful. Sliced banana would be great in here. Maybe a dollop of peanut butter, or just a dollop of the preserves right in the center. You could also just add a sprinkle of cinnamon on top for some extra flavor. Maybe a little bit of brown sugar to get like that nice little crust. Okay, so then you're gonna pop these into a 350-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll leave the full recipe in the comments below. So I've already made a batch. They're ready right here. And this is what they look like when they come out. Super easy, and like I said, since we sprayed our pans so well, they pop out so easily. So my favorite way to serve them up, I just have them on a plate right here. I'm gonna pop them out of the tray. 1 of each flavor, of course. And then I like to just have a little side container and fill it with some maple syrup. So this is easy, it's just like pancakes, and you kind of just dunk them in. This is a great snack or breakfast for kids to grab and go before school, but it also lets them use their hands and kind of get creative on their own. So this is what they'll look like when it's all done. I have my little side of syrup here. And like I said, if you wanted to, After they're done, I'm just gonna pop them into a freezer bag, throw them into the freezer, and I would say they would keep for probably 2 to 3 months in a freezer. And then when you're ready to have them for breakfast, just take them out, put them on a plate, put them in the microwave for a few minutes, and they'll be ready to go for breakfast. So this is a great make-ahead meal that you can use all this extra free time to prep ahead for when school begins. Like I said, I will leave the recipe in the comments below. Also, again, feel free to post photos of any recipes that you guys make at home, and I will be back for later this week for another recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed.